How to handle newlines inside quoted strings in PostgreSQL. Understanding newlines in PostgreSQL string literals. PostgreSQL allows newline characters inside single and double-quoted string literals. This means you can write strings spanning multiple lines directly in your SQL queries. Why does PostgreSQL allow this? This flexibility is built into PostgreSQL's standard string literal parsing. It enables embedding multi-line text in queries without special escaping. While useful in some cases, it can sometimes hide syntax errors, leading to confusing error messages. The problem: confusing syntax errors. If you accidentally omit a closing quote or mistype a string, PostgreSQL may not report the syntax error at the exact location you expect. Instead, it might report it much later in the query, making debugging harder. For example, a missing quote or an extra symbol here can cause a puzzling error far from the mistake. Can we forbid newlines in strings? Short answer: no. PostgreSQL does not provide a built-in way to forbid newlines inside single or double-quoted string literals. There is no configuration or flag to disable this behavior. No standard SQL mode or parser option controls this. Possible workarounds: custom extensions. Advanced users can create extensions that hook into PostgreSQL's parser or analysis phases to validate string literals and reject those containing newlines. Static code analysis: use external SQL linters or parsers before running queries to detect potential issues. Coding conventions: enforce team guidelines to avoid multi-line string literals in SQL for better readability and fewer mistakes. Summary: PostgreSQL permits newlines inside quoted strings by design. This can cause confusing errors if strings aren't closed properly. There is no built-in way to disable newlines inside string literals. Custom extensions or external tools are your best bet to enforce restrictions. Being aware of this behavior helps write clearer, more debuggable SQL and avoid frustrating errors caused by unclosed strings across multiple lines.